Spring is almost here, and maybe that's why it seems like there are more train shows. This is Lakota West Freshman School, 20 miles north of Cincinnati. I would guess that maybe 50% of the trains for sale here were either Lionel or Lionel compatible in O scale, which is a pretty good thing for me. The rest of the offerings were a mixture of HO scale and maybe just a little bit of N scale. I didn't realize that this was even happening until noon of the same day. As a consequence, I may have missed out on some early bird bargains. I've stopped by this same seller at 3 of the last local shows, and he always has trains priced to move. I once picked up a Lionel Alco dummy unit from him for $10. Try to beat that. It needed a total restoration, but it was complete and unbroken. You won't find that on eBay. This was a new seller to me, and he might be my favorite type. Someone whose collection is too big and just wants to get rid of stuff. Spoiler alert, I bought something here, and it was quite a bargain at only $5. I also like die-cast cars in 1/43rd scale, and I dropped another Finsky for a future project here at this table. Diesel locomotives and passenger cars might be my main area of interest. Who doesn't like Lionel F3s? But none of these came home with me on this particular Saturday. I did make one more purchase before leaving, or should I say 8? I won't say what it or they were, but I will tell you that the price worked out to be just $1 per item, and they're brand new. To find out what I'm talking about, tune in to my next video. How's that for a cliffhanger? If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.